yeah, I ran across loaded and my differentials aren't leaking. I don't see any marks down there.
Did you fuck her up?
It's hot in here. Since I have some extra time, since I'm also running that stuff through my fuel, I might change my fuel filter. Wow, it is hot. Holy shit. Oh man, this guy keeps falling down. All right, yeah, I'm gonna run over to Kenworth real quick. Get some fuel filters. My brother said he needs an oil filter and a fuel filter, so I'll get that for him too. That's a nice crack right there, right? That's an upgrade I did the other day. You know, the good thing about being over here is there's pretty much like every truck dealership. Right there's Freightliner. Right here is Mack, Volvo. I don't ever have a reason to go into that place. And then you got Kenworth right up here on the right. And Peterbilt used to be right down the street. But Peterbilt got a brand new place now. But they're only 10 minutes away. And then out there in the distance, you have the landfill. The landfill in all its glory. All right, we're gonna go in here and get our filters and shit. And we'll see you in a little bit. All right, we just got out of Kenworth. $189.11 in filters and some grease. Yeah, good shit. Now we're gonna go back. I don't know. I'm gonna see, just for the hell of it, if I could break the plugs loose on the differentials. If not, the next time I go to my brother's house, we'll check it. Or he said he'll give me a big ratchet with a pry bar, because I don't have a big one. I do have a big wrench, and I'm gonna try that. If it starts to slip, or if I can't get it, I'm not gonna risk stripping the fucking thing. So if I can't get it right away, I'm gonna give up on it, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Wow, look at that hole. Ooh. Whoa. Yeah, those Sheets trucks back there, if you're looking for a local job, you just have to get your hazmat and shit. They pay really good. I think I saw a sign that said like $48 an hour. The only bad thing is you have to go into Sheets gas stations, but shit. That's pretty good money. Oh wow, the plug is a lot smaller than I thought. I might actually have a wrench that fits that. But this is longer, so this might be better. Oh, I actually broke it free. I wish I had a socket. Because with a wrench, I also wish, oh man, my shoes are untied. I also wish I had something to put on the ground so I'm not laying in this filth. Well, I don't have a choice. Unless I move the truck over there, and I don't really want to. That actually broke free a lot easier. Oh wait, did it break free? God, this isn't gonna come fucking flying out at me, is it? Yeah, this socket would definitely be so much better. Oh, please don't come out at me. Oof. Oh, okay. I would say that's full. Oh boy, get back in there. You motherfucker. You know, I'm just like feeling it. See if there's like metal shavings in there. I don't know if that's one right there or not. This thing is also dirty, so I wouldn't know if it's metal shavings or just like fucking dirt. All right, well, it's definitely filled with oil. Oh yeah, it definitely smells like hub oil. Oh shit. I'm not gonna bother with the front one. They're not leaking. I mean, maybe it still could be the problem. Shit might be torn up in there. But it's definitely not low on oil. This isn't the issue. Let's just snug this back up. Okay. Next is going to be the fuel filters. Fuel filters. All right. As you can see, the back of my car is filled with truck shit. New vacuum I got, that's the CB, I gotta throw that out. This is a box of coolant. My old vacuum. This I used to put the CB in and do a bunch of other shit. That's a new mirror. Grease. Empty bag. What was in there? Oh, those new scissors I got. But yeah, if you have a truck, you probably have something similar, probably a pickup with a bunch of parts and tools and shit in it. Oh, I don't know why I closed that, because oh wait, no. That's my brother's. This is mine. All right. These aren't fun to put on when your hands are all sweaty and shit. All right. Fuel filter wrench. This is a freaking mess. Oh my God. Flathead. And fuel. Now, listen, I know you're supposed to put a plug in the middle there. So the fuel, you're just filling it in those little holes there. I don't have a plug to fill in there. You're supposed to just dump it in the little holes so the fuel gets filtered first. But I don't have a plug, and this is the way I've been doing it. I don't go super tight with that either. I got it on there pretty tight just by hand tightening it. But I'll just take the wrench and I'll just give it a tiny little snug. And that's it. One time, I used to bring it to Cat to get the services done, like the oil changes and stuff. They put my filters on so tight. Look what I did to my wrench. I bent the crap out of it, but it still works because I love this thing. I don't want to get rid of it. I can't find another one that's just like this. I mean, obviously, you know, there's other fuel filters out there, but this one in particular, I don't know why I love it so much. I got this at the TA in Jersey by the water gap. And the last time Molly was that way, I asked her to go in there to see if they have them and to grab me another one, and they didn't. So I'm gonna use this bent to shit one until it breaks, or until I start ripping holes in the filters with it. I keep forgetting that's gonna leak fuel all over the place. The other one, that one, the primary, you can take that one off without making a mess. This one always makes a mess. Oh, there it goes. Man, that is hot. A little snug. That's it. If you're watching this and you're wondering, why don't you use cat filters for the primary? I do. And I usually do. And that's what I've been using up until about a month ago. My mechanic, that guy that owns that shop Faber's that I've been going to, I've been having a fuel restriction issue. And he changed the fuel lines and stuff, and that helped a bit. And those filters, those FleetGuard FS1212, out of all of the filters that he knows about, at least, that one has the least restriction out of all of them. So I started using them, and they seem to be working fine. I know cat filters are probably the best, but if those filters bring the restriction down a little bit, I'm gonna use them for now at least. You guys that work outside in the heat all day, I don't know how you do it. I'm really struggling out here. I'm a little bitch though. When it comes to extreme heat and extreme cold, oh, forget it. If it's under 30 degrees, I don't even want to go outside. I'm out there complaining, shivering, just non-stop complaining. Oh, come on, you fuck. Oh! Oh, it's so hot. Man, I'm such a bitch. Man, I hate this shit. That took a lot longer than it should have. Hey, little baby. Let's get the fuck hell out of here. All right, we're gonna end it right there. And put the air conditioner on. And we'll see you next time. I love you. Bye.